A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is parts of a plant. There are many kinds of plants around us. Some are big in size, some are small, whereas some are weak, like climbers are weak, but some trees are too strong. So we have different types of plants. A plant has different parts. So today we are going to learn about different parts of a plant and about root. Different parts of the plant work together to live and to grow. So all these work together to live and to grow. So there are two types of parts. First one is above the ground. Can see the part that is above the ground. So that part we say shoot. Shoot grows above the ground and it grows upward. It grows upward. Whereas root is the part that is below the ground. It is below the ground and it grows downward, downside. So let's see the part that is below the ground, that is root. Here you can see stem. It helps to keep the plant upright. It may be strong or weak, like wood stem is there. So after that, here you can see branches arise from that and their leaves comes out. And do you know, these leaves help the plant to make food. Here you can see some birds are there. These birds will open and beautiful flowers will come out of that. You can see fruits also. So these are all different parts of the plant. So we are going to read about these in detail. Today I am going to explain root. Here we start with roots. As you can see, roots are of different types. Two types of roots are there, taproot and fibrous root. So let's learn about taproot. Taproot consists of main thick root. Here you can see this main thick root which grows from this end of the stem, and many small roots arise from this main root. In this one main root is there. All other roots are coming out from this main root. Okay. So this one is found in many trees like rose plant, hibiscus, people, tomato, all these. This type of root is found. But we will talk about fibrous root. Fibrous root don't have any main root. Here you can see main root is present, but fibrous root we don't have any main root. All the roots are like fibers. They arise from this end of the stem only. So fibrous root, it consists of many roots arising from this end of the stem. Fibrous roots are found in many plants, like it is found in grass, sugarcane and all these. So let's move on to different functions. A root help in many things. So let's begin with first one. It fixes plant in the soil. Here you can see the root fixes the plant firmly in the soil. They prevent the plant from falling down. If no root would be there, then it may fall down. Because of root only, it is able to stand right. Besides this, roots help in intake water and minerals from the soil. As you know, plant also need water and minerals for its growth. So what it do? We give water to the plant and that water is intaken by the roots, and the minerals that is present inside the soil, that is also intaken by the roots only. So this water and mineral is intaken by the root and it passes to stem, branches, and it reaches the leaves. And here leaves help to make food. Leaves take water and it make food for the plant. Next one is it hold the soil and prevent it from getting washed away by strong waterways or strong wind. Roots of some plants store food. For example, carrot, radish, turnip. Such roots are eaten as food by us. Next is stem. Stem grows above the ground and it is the main part of the shoot. So here you can see stem bears fruit, flower, branch, bud and leaf. Some trees are there like neem and mango tree. They have thick, hard and woody stem, and this thick, hard and woody stem we call it trunk. It is trunk of a tree. Some plants are there like money plant. They have very weak stem. Climbers have very weak stem. They either need support to grow or they grow along the ground only. So let's see some functions of the stem. The most important function is it holds the plant upright. Without the stem, the plant is not able to stand upright. Like in case of climbers have very weak stem. So plants are not able to stand upright. Other functions are it carries food and water to different parts of the plant. Here you can see the water and mineral absorbed by the roots that is carried through the stem and it passes to branches and leaves. Whereas the food that is prepared by the leaf that is being carried by stem only, that is being passed through the stem only. So stem carries food and water to different parts of the plant. Stems of some plants like sugarcane and potato, they store extra food in them and we eat the stem of such plants. So for today we will complete up to this. Tomorrow I am going to explain leaf, fruits, flower and seeds. Thank you.